Here are a few keto-friendly recipes for you to try. Ingredients: 2 ribeye or sirloin steaks, 3 tablespoons butter, 3 cloves garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley chopped for garnish. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait. Your transformation begins now. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.